Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing my latest purchase from Louis Vuitton, and this one is the 2021 large functional weekly agenda refill. Okay, so the package came like this. It's beautiful, very nice. Okay, look at the back, it's so nice. Oh wow, it's been a while I haven't seen this packaging, guys. This one is actually, if I could give it a little bit closer, I think this one is made up of, yeah, the vachetta. Wow, very nice. Very nice. It's lovely. It's been a while I haven't seen this. Okay, so let's open this. Okay, here we go. Okay, wow, very nice. So this is the 2021 large agenda refill. Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at that, the Vivienne. I'm just gonna have you get a closer look of how pretty that is. Wow, beautiful. Look at that. So this year's illustration, actually, it's the Vivienne, which is the Louis Vuitton mascot. She is traveling around the world. So each of these pages from, I think, monthly, will be able to see a Vivienne Illustrations that she is traveling around the world. Wow, it's so beautiful. I love the packaging. Okay, this is the inside. Okay. Wow, look at that. Wow. Here it is. Oh, this is the cover. So this is the cover page. And yeah, it's hardbound. And let me give you a closer look on this beautiful Vivienne. Okay, wow. Okay, so let's start with this on the plane. Okay, and then we have this one. This one is in French, different translations. That, and it says here, on the road with Vivienne. It's a little bit of a story about her. Okay, so another translation as well. Okay, this is the calendar. Okay, so we are about to start the cover for January. Wow, look at this. Very colorful. So here's a closer look. Wow, this is for January. Very beautiful. Okay, that's Vivienne right there. This is the back, and then moving on. This is February. Very nice. She is skiing on February. Here's a closer look. Very beautiful. Side. Okay. And then we have March. Wow, it's raining. So here's a closer look on the month of March. Look at that. So beautiful. So cute. So that's for the March. And next we have So that's March right there. They're all like the same on each of these pages. So we are heading towards April. So this is the April. Wow, look at that. On the outer space, I think she's an astronaut here. So this is an April. Here's a closer look. Okay. Moving on, this is for the month of May. Look at that. She looks like she's under the sea. Wow, very colorful, so vibrant. Beautiful. Wow. So that's the closer look for the month of May. Okay. For the month of June. Very beautiful in the parachute. Wow, so colorful, guys. That's the thing is that really, I mean, if you want to buy one of these just to see Vivienne, just to see the beauty of Vivienne, I might probably gonna recommend the large ones, because you could actually see the each detail of the illustration. So gorgeous. Wow, look at that. This is for the month of June. We have for the month of July. Look at that. Vivienne. That's the closer look for the month of July. Wow. Gorgeous. It's for the month of July. We have for the month of August. I like this paper that they have the colors, different colors for each month. This is for the month of August. Very nice. It's beautiful. Very colorful. The color is so vibrant. It's amazing. Okay, moving on for the month of September. Wow, September. Look at that. The purple and the yellow together. This is on September. Very beautiful. That's Vivienne right there. It's for the month of September. Okay. Now we have for the month of October. Oh, look at that. The detail of this one is gorgeous. So he is riding a bike. Look at that. Wow. This is for the month of October. The detailed right here with LV. It's gorgeous. Very colorful. So vibrant. So this is for the month of October. We have for the month of November. Oh, this is for the month of November. Very nice, very lovely. So cute. So this is for the month of November. Look at the detail of, okay. So next we have for the month of December, and wow, look at that. Beautiful. Vivienne. So cute. Just seeing her having a good time makes me smile and giggle. I don't know why. It's so cute. Very nice. So those are the illustrations of Vivienne for each of the month. And what else do we have here? Okay, we have other stuff here. And yeah, this is just a calendar. So you could write something. This is like blank pages, inspiration and stuff. And yeah. And last is we have a sticker. Oh wow, the sticker is beautiful. But there's only one sticker. I'm so used to see two stickers though, a lot more stickers. Not for sale, separately. That's what it says. Probably wonder the people are just wanted the sticker, so they just put that not for sale separately. All those stickers, gorgeous. Wow. Let me see. My favorite among all of these stickers are, I like this. I like this one. There's a cactus right there. Trunks in the space. I think this one comes with two stickers though. Like, yeah, there's only one. I'm not sure. I'm probably gonna have to check. I really thought this one comes with two stickers because these are just the illustrations for every month. So there should be at least 12. That's what I think. Probably there's only one. Yeah. I just got this one today. I'm not even sure. So here's a quick look. So pretty. Yeah. Okay. So this is my latest purchase. This from Louis Vuitton. I got this one today. I picked it up at the store. And it's so beautiful. It's so gorgeous, guys. And yeah, I really love the illustration. And if you really wanted to enjoy Vivienne, I would suggest to get the large one if you have a large agenda. It's not necessary that you own an agenda from Louis Vuitton. It could be this one has a 6 ring in it, so it would work in any agenda that has 6 ring. But I am enjoying this beautiful illustration from Louis Vuitton. It's very nice. It's so lovely. So I hope that this video would be helpful for you guys if you wanted to get hands on these. So these I've shown you the different illustrations every month, and I personally love it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.